Okay, let us start the class. In Python, one more small program to print number of candies. To print number of candies. Okay. As user requested. Okay. Next is what? If demand is more than more than stock. Okay. Next, message to be as out of stock. Message to be out of stock. Okay, here use else with while loop. Here use else with while loop. This is the conditions. These are the, you need to write like this. Message to be out of stock, and here use else with while. Here use else with while loop. Okay. No counter is required. No counter is required. Okay, now so program you write like this. First of all, take the stock variable which holds stock 10 candies. So stock is a variable which holds integer 10. Next, you request the user input function. Okay, string single quotation mark, enter the candy numbers. Okay, how many candies the user requesting. So that number to be stored in a variable. Okay, candy is a variable. Now store in this candy. But problem is what, whenever number is fed by user, that is integer, so that will be considered as a string, and that will be kept in. So string to be converted into integer. So int function, use int function to convert the string into. Okay, now your input number will be stored as a string, as a integer in candy. Now next, use while loop. Okay, candy is what? Your candy greater than equal to stock. Okay, greater than equal to stock. Okay, always loop for while loop, if else block, they must be kept terminated with the colon. Okay, now print is an input function, inbuilt function. Okay, candy. Okay, multiplied star operator, multiplication, candy. Okay, so candy is a string that will be multiplied by this input, user input. Okay, next, here after print you break. Okay, else condition is what? Use else with while loop I have used else. Now else must be terminated with the colon. Now print. Okay, string out of stock. So now what happened? What what happened here? Stock is equal 10. So candy user are requesting suppose less than 10. Okay. So candy is greater than stock. Your request is greater than stock. Okay. So request is less than stock. So candy will be given. Suppose if you are requesting 9 candies, so 9 is less than your stock, so 9 into candy, so 9 candies will be given. So once given, loop will be terminated, break. Else if stock is your request is greater than the stock, so out of stock, candies are out of stock. So execute this one. What happened? So here, that is for the first whatever first application, salary somewhat number you need to give. Okay. So now HJN line 24 is where line 24 this is, it is to be kept in quotation marks. I told you that, double quotation. Now it will be execute this one, true or false, something whatever. If you give true or false, anything. Next, salary something you have paid. First application, loan will not be sanctioned. Enter your name please, whatever. Next, password something. So credential, please enter correct credential. Enter the candy numbers, 9 candies you are requesting. So candy, how many candies are being given? 9 candy. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 candies. Okay. If I request for more than stock, so it will give error, out of stock. Enter your salary, enter your name please, Vasu, no, enter your password, whatever. So enter the candy numbers. So 19 I am requesting, so out of stock. Okay, candies are out of stock. Why? Because your stock is up to 10 only, but you are requesting more than stock, so print will be given out of stock. So one more example I want to do that. How much of time is here? Okay, now one more let us do.